So now this is the opposite side where the these guys, what they did is they didn't put primer, they just put Bondo. This wouldn't be normal. You're supposed to see primer over this. So they just put Bondo to fill this crack. And I don't know if this, I don't want to go any further because I don't want to open a can of worms, but you can see the Bondo that they put up there. And usually on motorhomes we use Marglass. It's a lot harder than Bondo. And you can see there's more problems where these guys broke the screw holes and more molding problems. They put some random screws that don't belong there. And you can see the white ones there. Just the rail looks just so bent up, so banged up. So the problem I'm gonna have is when I go to put screws back in here, you're gonna have extra holes, which should get fiberglass repaired, but the time frame we have, it's gonna be difficult. So these guys banged up your rail on, now this is on the passenger side now, on the rail, and that's all the damage there. And just so you can get an idea of what's going on there.